Hey friends, we are on another epic bee-free adventure and are cruising on the Norwegian Sky.
We are headed to the Dominican Republic, the Bahamas, and the Virgin Islands. If you've watched our other videos, you know that many of our adventures include camping and us making our own food.
And sometimes even catching it.
So a really fun part for us on a cruise is the dining.
1, you don't have to do anything but show up.
Number 2, you can try lots of new things.
Kevin ordered the escargot. I hope it escar stops though, as it gets here.
And I've never had the escargot before, so we'll see how well that works.
It tastes like a mushroom and garlic butter.
However, we do not really enjoy a buffet.
We like the whole food experience, from the dining ambiance to the food itself.
So we're going to share with you how the Norwegian dining measured up to our bee-free Benson dining expectations and how we ensure an epic dining experience when we're on a cruise.
Oh, and go ahead and mash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more bee-free Benson adventures.
We love creating community and would love to be a part of one with you.
First, we like to cruise with Norwegian because of its freestyle approach to dining.
This means no set dinner times, table arrangements, or main dining room.
There are many different options, and several of them are complimentary.
However, we like to go ahead and get the specialty dining package, which allows us to dine at the specialty restaurants.
So the first thing we do is get the specialty dining package. There is an additional cost, but we feel that it's totally worth it for us.
Now, our friends from @Spark Adventure that cruised with us, they don't feel the same way we do. Comment below and let us know if you are team regular dining or team specialty dining when you're on a cruise.
Of course, we're really kidding because there are many great things on the cruise.
It just depends on what your preferences are.
We also go ahead and secure many of our dining reservations that we can prior to boarding the ship.
Then once we get on the ship, we immediately get the rest of our reservations. You can always change them or cancel any of the reservations, but they do fill up fast.
We are at the Le Bistro, French.
The ambiance at Le Bistro is probably one of our favorites. The dining room has an Orient Express feel, and every table has a really great view of the ocean.
We started our meals with escargot and soups such as French onion and mushroom.
The main courses were beautifully prepared.
And there were some staple dishes like filet mignon and veal for those who are less adventurous.
The desserts were scrumptious.
One of our favorites was a dark chocolate with a rice crunch and raspberry sauce.
Bon appetit. La Cucina is an Italian ristorante.
They had all the classic Italian dishes.
But my absolute favorite was the caprese salad made with fresh mozzarella. If you've ever had fresh mozzarella, you know what I'm talking about.
This was, although, our least favorite restaurant on the ship.
Partially because the ambiance in the restaurant really wasn't as great. It was a very small restaurant and just not in the best location, but it was still really good.
And for us, we would still choose it over any of the other complimentary dining rooms. Cagney Steakhouse was our absolute favorite, and we dined with them as much as possible.
The food itself is the real winner here.
One of our favorite appetizers was the tuna tartare.
Get a little chip with that.
Hello, Chef. It is delicious. I think that tastes delicious. Super fresh tasting and tastes just got a little bit of oil in there and some spice. Delicious.
It's really good.
The wedge salad with the blue cheese crumbles, crispy bacon, and creamy blue cheese dressing was another favorite.
The steaks at Cagney's are some of the best we've ever had anywhere.
Literally anywhere. They are really nice cuts of meat, perfectly seasoned and grilled to perfection.
Everything from the filet mignon to the porterhouse to the tomahawk, which will feed an army, are mouth-watering.
Just doing this video makes us want to go back.
I'm full. Very full.
No, bring on the chocolate cake. I paced myself, so I'm ready to eat that cake.
That is a little slice of heaven. The specialty dining is definitely worth it. Fabulous steak tonight again at Cagney's. Everywhere we've eaten has been very good. When you compare it to the regular dining room, it's just on another level. And the ambiance, the service is so much better. So definitely would recommend upgrading to the upgraded dining package.